I'm a billboard.
Hey guys, check out my collarbone. Right now we're in Be More, baby.
Be more rotting. You get American.
There was this book that I read called Be More Careful. Very good book, you can check it out. It's all about Baltimore and the runnings and how things happen in the hood, you know. So
The hood, what's the hood?
So
Yo.
we're going to the aquarium today.
Oh, if you want, we can go to that side there, no, like.
What, Be More? The hood?
You ever know about The Wire? The series in The Wire?
No.
I want drugs, like, thing.
What's a cool man?
And them sell, like in the bad area. We can't carry that same way, look.
Yeah.
Like, you see the beauty them on the corner, I sell drugs and then something.
I must say that's what the book was about. Drugs, guns, sex, girls. A very good first book I ever eat. First book I ever read.
The aquarium there over there, so.
Institute of Marine Environmental Technology over there. So we're going to the aquarium today. Pretty excited about that.
Oh yeah, I was all out of my mind.
You gonna eat something first?
Yeah.
Yeah, taking around that way.
Watch out.
You remember? But then they put in there.
Where can I this is?
Other places around them,
We're gonna get something to eat before because it's like an hour. It was like an hour and maybe 15 minutes drive here from where we were coming from.
This one Instagram model they show her.
Where?
Instagram model over there.
Guys, just stay on the car see it's too far. Tell me about Instagram model. I wonder if I mean my talk. So you're gonna get something to eat and then we'll go by aquarium. Pretty excited about that.
If you talk to her, she tell you about that. And she probably herself flat tummy tea.
She look high. So when we reach our place and I get something to eat, me check back in with you guys. Why?
You like it?
Stop seconds.
Yeah.
You know, I seconds.
Yeah, I really like it. Be helpful too, consider. So this is us and this is our day. It's about, what time now? It's about maybe 3:26. That's at 2:26 your guys' time.
You guys.
You guys.
I will teach you English.
Or it's your time.
Yeah, so you know we're an hour ahead and it's May 7th and stuff. These are like a food court place. Or they're in the building.
Yeah, nice.
I don't know why we select Jamaica. Well, I don't think international place. Check out the water. Very black. What I know.
That's my nigga.
Getting compliments in these streets. Check out that fish. Why fish?
You are murderer. You are murderer.
I just want to say I feel cool.
No, I'm going to look for them. Like this I top bookstore in the world.
I'm not interested in books.
Me go look.
No one's there though. Alright, everybody eat that.
Asian, Mexican.
What's that? Pure 4?
Chipotle. It's a Chipotle.
In Montego we have Pure 4 and this is Pure 1. Pure 1, this is Pure 4. Guys, we decided to come to Hard Rock in the city. We're gonna have something to eat quickly and then head over to the aquarium. I must say inside there is very nice. Nicer than Montego Bay one.
Show the bar.
I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like now.
Oh, so you get one kid one night?
Here, what you got? What did you get? What you get on top there? You got chicken tenders, fries, and then you get sauce. You got some cranberry juice. Then you get one little crabby patty, double fried, and coleslaw. Then you get one little back rib with fries and coleslaw and sauce. Don't have some other rib there.
No. No.
It's not a question.
No.
It's a statement. So, do you have a devour this? So guys, we're completed with lunch. Jeremy like to say so guys. Watching over there, so belly full and sitting. Jeremy over here, so belly full and thing. I think we need to get one of that. What's that? And we're going over there, the aquarium. Let me say close to anybody see a footballist do that watch so? Who play Jeremy? Arsenal?
Barcelona.
Arsenal play. Just the upper office, they've locked down.
Hey peoples. So German, I like when you say hey guys, so I'm start to talk different.
Our hey Skylifers.
Hey Skylifers.
Oh, see Harvard on this one.
Alrighty,
You
so
want to walk?
we are in Baltimore and
Our plan was
We
to go
just-
to the aquarium.
yeah, we just finished eating. The plan was to go to the aquarium, but the time got late. They closed at 5 and it's now
Like
it's like
4:45.
4:50 something, no? 4:50 something. So we didn't see the sense of buying the tickets and don't have enough time. So we are now heading to the harbor to do something. I don't know what is down there. I want to go shopping, but they don't want to take me. So and Jeremy is all into his football, so I'm not really pay with no mind. Oh, we don't know what we are doing, so we kind of hurt me, you know. But the food was good. We stopped at Hard Rock Cafe. It's better here, honestly. Not to no lie, it's better here. Them still expensive over here, but it's the food is really good and the service is alright. So this is where we are, people. Sit up in the bus and kind of like return. Yeah, very tall. Let's stop at this office. This is the aquarium, guys. It's really nice. I've been there once and it's really nice. They have a lot of sharks, dolphins, fish, different types of fishes, and other species of animals. It's really good.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. From
No,
Baltimore.
you tell me what it is. Baltimore. So I guess people that work in Baltimore, that when they were in New York, were they from Baltimore?
No, this is not a
So what is this building telling me?
Jeremy, tell the people them what is below this thing here.
bad.
What's up?
So I'm not just the game down. I got my phone in phone.
Eh?
Jeremy, what is this?
This is the World Trade Center.
No, this thing.
I'm trying to figure it out.
So guys, we're just walking on the harbor. But Skylifer. Me don't want a psychic touch me. Afraid of them. You want psychic?
Read that woman.
You want go psychic?
Read that woman next
I
house.
them go on a Stalk.
There's a psychic.
As me come out, I carry a man walk up to me. What you say? Like he say, they might fight you. They might fight you hard.
And they style
They might
that.
fight you.
I hate to read
Open
the
your plan, let
people.
me tell her who. You want me call him? I'm start calling him. I say, man, I call him.
I don't like read the people.
I said, no, love. Me alright.
Somebody ever fight you to them? Or I try to hold you down in a life?
A designer that.
Oh.
I try to hold you down in a life.
Man, I laugh. How you like designer? I should have said, hey, designer, can I get a pic?
Yeah, so we're walking on the harbor because we didn't get to go to the aquarium. I don't
Because of them.
Because we come late for choose Jeremy.
We got here late because we didn't have to wait for Jeremy to wash his car. Jeremy, I like metal.
So when you're not black, people are seeing
Alright, designer body.
Yeah, so we just taking in the atmosphere here. Today is a good day outside.
Yep.
You know?
Me head hurt.
It's like your AC the palm about maybe 19. Like in an office. 19 degrees. What degree? Why temperature today, Jeremy? Oh? 80. Yeah, so today's a good day outside. That's a harbor.
What's the correct temperature? It's 78 degrees right now.
78. It's pretty cool. It's 78
It
degrees.
was just hot. It just the temperature just
Can I show you
changed.
something? The ball of
Oh,
the
the
water.
ball.
The ball of what?
On the water.
Believe it or not.
Let me go get this for you guys. There's a ball that says believe it or not that's spinning on the water. So we're gonna look at it now. I am catching you. I was catching you in there.
You ever like go a dentist?
And some people take it to pee into.
Yeah, we're talking about, we just saw someone on the road, like, you know, she was telling a lie, like a cocaine she wants and things. But me, I said, why people have to take them things and mess up themselves? Can't manage it. But different people addicted to different things. People addicted to sex, weed,
Earphone?
and some people addicted to drugs. In my bag. Tell about about you, you know? The hook. Take it from me. Thank you.
Like, you know, what I say is, like, with addiction, don't get me wrong, you know, I understand, but, like, people must know, so at some point, if you have damaged your body and you have damaged yourself...
You're dead.
Yeah.
Addicted to something good. Addicted to going to the gym. Addicted to writing or reading or something productive to make you
Addicted to
better.
your partner or somebody will love you.
No, I don't believe in addicted to another person.
You
who love
saying
you.
that?
I don't believe in it. It's not healthy.
Really?
You think that's healthy?
You want me to tell the vlog a story?
It's not. You don't need you to tell the vlog my story. I can talk myself. You know,
Okay,
healthy.
talk yourself. Talk when you were addicted to somebody.
It's not
Talk
healthy.
about, okay, well, it's not healthy, but you were addicted to somebody.
She wasn't addicted. She loved the person.
That's love, you know. I
Really?
was in love at the
No,
time.
it's not. I love my car.
Were you addicted to your person?
No,
Of course, and
it's
still
very
still
fair.
addicted.
Who?
The first person. Well, the first one I don't know about.
What I thought? No, that's no addiction. But at the end of the day,
Then why do you say Melica is addicted?
no, because she
addicted.
was. But my situation is different, right? Because I can tell you. You want me to tell him? And I'll
No.
speak properly. So
I'll
that
cut
you-
that thing out. So don't play with me.
No, me and the person, we've grown, right? We're never gonna ever get together, but at the same time, that doesn't mean we can't be cordial. That doesn't mean we can't use each other as networks, right? She helped me with certain aspect of my business, and me help her with certain aspect of her business.
Okay, Jeremy, I'm saying being addicted to someone is not a healthy thing because you won't
So
be
let me ask
able
you
to
something.
function properly if that person is not around you.
So
You
let
don't
me
have
ask you a
access to
question,
that
see?
person.
And be
It's not
honest
good.
with me, right?
Ice cream.
I'll cut you on custard.
Ice cream. We're gonna cut. Cut. Intermission.
Lose weight. I just want to lose my belly. Insecure about your belly fat, back rolls, stretch marks, and cellulite? No worries, Belly Gone is here to fight these insecurities. Burn stubborn belly fat and back rolls, reduce stretch marks and cellulite. Become the best version of yourself. Get your belly gone today.